I am honored to be standing in front of viewers. My name's Al-Amin Saudagar. I am proud member of English Fantasy. Today I would like to talk about my hometown. My hometown is Kishorganj, Central District of Dhaka Division. My hometown Kishorganj area approximately 2,689 square kilometers. My hometown Kishorganj famous place things, for example, sweetwater feast and big party field, vegetable field. Two president of has been of our Kishorganj, Abdul Hamid and Jillur Rahman. And my hometown is famous place, Kishorganj Itna, Mithamain Instagram and Big Haur and Lalbagh Khella. Thank you viewers.